challenge. Lahat sila challenging sa akin. So every scene talaga, okay. Ganun, parang hindi siya talagang dinudugo kami dito. Dinudugo ako every scene. So putting it together is a real challenge.
So marami talaga pong mag-look forward about it. Kasi
kaiba it's different siya. It's different from what I have done and what they have done.
Tsaka totoo yung sinabi ni Direk na yung mga characters namin sobrang totoo talaga at yung mga sitwasyon sobrang totoo. Tulad pa ng kagabi or kanina, madaling araw, may shoot po kaming medyo bibigat na eksena. Then after ng take, nakita ko si Direk lumapit sa mga cameraman. Tinatanong niya, anong tingin mo? Okay ba yun? Naawa ka ba sa kanya? Naramdaman mo na? Or should we bawasan ba natin? And yung ibang cameraman, Direk na pagdaanan ko yan eh. Tama yan. Tama yung nangyari. So, alam mo na may lalaki pa yan
relate.
So, alam mo maraming makarelate kasi totoo yung mga sitwasyon.
My last question is, each can answer your own opinion. What is the objective of this movie? Bakit siya pinalabas? Bakit siya gusto ipakita? Bakit siya dapat panoorin ng mga tao?
Marami siyang marami namang message or marami kang mapupulot na aral dito sa movie na to. But really, it's about parang how do you determine sino talaga ang mamahalin mo, sino ang sasabihin mo ng everyday I love you. Also, parang it's like kanina sa question ni Jude, parang making the most of your everyday. And then parang when is loving enough? Yun. Marami. It's all about it's about giving yourself, being and showing unconditional love. Parang how do you show love to the people that matter to you? Yun.
From the cast na lang, from your role na lang, ano yung pwedeng matutunan ng mga makakanood nitong film?
Kung ano po yung natutunan?
Yeah.
Well, real life situations po nangyayari talaga yung nangyayari sa amin. Except, syempre, yung comatose. But despite that, nagbabago talaga yung tao. At hindi ibig sabihin nagbago siya, masama siyang tao or nag-iba ka na. People grow. Yun yung ng life. That's life. We grow from each other. We grow as better people. Ang dami natin natutunan, during life. So, isa sa mga natutunan ko is, hindi ibig sabihin na ikaw yung first love or siya yung first love mo or mahal na mahal mo siya. Na things won't change. Walang magbabago. Posible talaga may magbabago. She or he will outgrow you or iba na yung mga priorities niya, iba yung mga pangarap niya, which hindi naman nangyari before sa simula ng relationship mo. So, just siguro yun. Love yourself, but yun yung natutunan mo na it's real life situations.
I like what May says, when is love enough? For me, this movie is about discovering who you really are and what you really want. Kasi in love, sometimes we forget who we are and we lose ourselves. And this movie is teaching, it taught me that if you're really in love with someone and if that person is really in love with you, you should be who you are and you should be happy with that person. Being true to each other. So yeah, discover yourself.
Yeah, no, just the same thing. It's about really getting to know who you are as a person. Parang sa akin, love changes a person kasi sometimes you change yourself for the person you love, or that person who you love changes you as a person. So it's really seeing how you work together, how you pair up together with that person. If he can make, or she can bring out the best in you, or if you want her, or you could bring out the best in the other person. It really depends. People go through this situation every day. Minsan may choice sila. It's either the person I really want or the person I feel like is best for me. So it's really, other people might choose the other person, or like Audrey's case, she might choose